Welcome back, everyone, and for those who are new to the channel, hi, I'm Saba and you're watching Savoring with Saba. You want to start your day off right, and what better way to do that with a hearty, protein-filled breakfast. I'm going to show you how to make Keto Bacon Egg Bites inspired by the oh-so-famous Starbucks Egg Bites. So y'all, let's jump right in. Don't forget to like and share this video and join the community by clicking that red subscription button below. We're jumping right into this recipe now, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees and then grab a mixing bowl. Crack your eggs in a mixing bowl and add in the sea salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Whisk the ingredients together. Set the bowl with the egg and spice mixture aside, and then grab your pan. I'm using a special pan for the first time just to test it out, but you can use a regular cupcake pan or muffin pan. Grease up those pans to make sure those egg bites come out easily. Add in the bacon, red onions, cheddar cheese, red peppers, and parsley. I'm using curly parsley, but regular parsley works as well, fresh or dried. Carefully pour in your whisked eggs into each of the cavities. Fill them up about halfway. This is such an easy recipe. No matter your skill set, anyone can make this any day of the week. Y'all, look at our egg bites. Woo! So we're basically halfway done, and now I just have to put them in the oven. Fellow foodies, this is what the egg bites turned out using this specialty pan. I'm actually really liking this pan because so many other people use regular muffin pans, but this one gives a fun, unique twist to this recipe. I'm loving the ridges and the designs on the sides of the egg bites. Totally something I would use again in the future. Y'all, our egg bites are done. Oh my gosh, look how adorable they came out. I'm loving the shape. I can't wait to eat. The smell is everything. I'm just gonna go in because your girl is hungry, okay? Look at that. OMG, the spices, they're coming through, okay? This is everything. And I love that this is so easy to pack. So if you're back in the office already, you can just pack this and go. Like, how easy is this? I'm literally tearing this up in front of you. So sorry, but not really sorry. So delicious. This is good. I'm about to tear into the second egg bite, but before I do, be sure to visit my website, savoringwithsaba.com, for the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions for this recipe. And don't forget to like and share this video, and if you want more easy on-the-go breakfast ideas, drop a comment down below or like this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, y'all, click that red subscription button below and join the community. I am so excited to share more recipes this year. Everyone, stay safe and happy savoring.